Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to attach large file on QwenLM AI. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. Once you're on your browser, search for QwenLM and navigate to its website. Once you're in the website, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. Now, in order to attach the large file, here you can see the text box, and in the bottom right corner of this text box, you can see this link icon. Tap on it. It says upload document. Now you can upload a document from your device. Go to media picker. Now you can upload any large file that you have in your device to QwenLM AI. For example, I have this resume file over here. I'll select this resume file for now. You can try out any other different PDF files or any other documents. And right below that, give a prompt about what you want to do with this file. And once you are done, tap on this send button. Now it will process your prompt and come up with a response accordingly. And there you go. That's how you can easily attach large file and ask your preferred questions. It will give you the detailed results analyzing any large files that you have uploaded. So that's it. That's how you can attach large file in QwenLM AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.